One of the electric pruning shears on this list can cut thick branches in seconds, while another can keep working long after most competitors run out of battery. Today, we're counting down the 5 best electric pruning shears of 2026 to help you find the perfect tool for faster, cleaner, and easier pruning. Starting our list is the Dragro Professional Cordless Electric Pruning Shears, a dependable option that delivers professional-level performance without unnecessary complexity. Powered by a high-efficiency 600-watt brushless motor, this pruner cuts smoothly through branches up to 1.2 inches thick. During extended pruning sessions, the motor maintains steady torque even when tackling mature fruit tree limbs, producing clean cuts with very little effort. Its hardened SK5 steel blade stays sharp for an impressive amount of time and slices through greenwood as well as seasoned branches with minimal crushing. Proper cleaning and occasional lubrication help preserve that sharp edge throughout the season. The package includes two 21-volt 2Ah lithium batteries, giving enough runtime for thousands of cuts before recharging. Since both batteries recharge fairly quickly, it's easy to swap packs and continue working without long interruptions. Comfort is another strong point. The ergonomic handle naturally supports the wrist, while the rubberized grip improves control and reduces vibration during lengthy pruning jobs. Safety features include dual trigger activation to prevent accidental starts and an electronic locking function when the tool isn't in use. If you want reliable cutting power, quality construction, and dependable battery performance at a reasonable price, the Dragro remains an excellent value. At number 4, Oakley Electric Pruning Shears for DeWalt 20V Max Battery. If you already own DeWalt cordless tools, the Okeelney makes a lot of sense thanks to its compatibility with the DeWalt 20V Max battery system. Its 500-watt brushless motor generates plenty of cutting force, easily handling hardwood branches up to 1.5 inches thick. During heavy pruning, the blades consistently produced smooth, clean cuts instead of tearing bark. One feature that adds flexibility is its adjustable cutting opening. A smaller opening speeds up repetitive trimming, while the full opening provides maximum capacity for thicker limbs. The overall balance depends on the battery you install. Smaller battery packs make the tool easier to maneuver, whereas higher capacity batteries provide significantly longer runtime for larger properties. Its SK5 steel blade is durable and easy to maintain, requiring only periodic sharpening after extended use in dense hardwood. Additional touches, like the built-in LED work light, make it easier to prune inside dense tree canopies or during early morning work. With solid construction, strong cutting performance, and compatibility with an existing DeWalt battery collection, this is a practical option for homeowners and professionals alike. At number 3, the MODOFO upgraded electric pruning shears combine modern technology with impressive cutting performance, making them one of the smartest tools in this category. A powerful 450-watt brushless motor drives premium SK5 blades capable of cutting branches up to 1.4 inches in diameter while still remaining precise enough for smaller decorative plants. Included are two 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries, allowing continuous work by rotating between packs throughout the day. One standout feature is the integrated LCD display. Instead of guessing remaining battery life, you can monitor battery percentage and total cut count in real time, helping you manage longer pruning sessions more efficiently. The complete kit includes spare accessories such as a replacement blade, maintenance tools, cleaning brush, oil bottle, charger, batteries, and a durable carrying case. Its slim grip feels comfortable in smaller hands, while the responsive trigger requires very little effort, reducing finger fatigue during repetitive work. Double-click activation and automatic blade positioning help improve overall safety while keeping operation straightforward. For users who appreciate practical technology alongside dependable cutting performance, the MODAFO offers an excellent balance of features. Taking second place is the KLEZHI Professional Cordless Electric Pruning Shears, one of the lightest professional-grade models available. Its high-torque motor powers through branches measuring up to 1.2 inches thick while keeping the overall weight surprisingly manageable. That lightweight design becomes especially valuable during overhead pruning or ladder work where fatigue builds quickly. The included pair of 21-volt 2Ah batteries provide enough runtime for thousands of cuts before needing a recharge, making it suitable for full-day maintenance around orchards or larger landscapes. Durability is another highlight. The sealed gearbox helps keep dust and debris away from internal components, reducing maintenance requirements over time. The SK5 blade maintains a sharp edge through extensive use, delivering consistently clean cuts that encourage healthier plant recovery. Its balanced grip, comfortable trigger position, and compact body make it easy to maneuver between crowded branches without sacrificing control. Safety functions include dual trigger startup, quick lock mode, and manual blade closure before storage. If minimizing arm fatigue is a priority without giving up professional performance, the KLEZHI is one of the strongest options available in 2026. Our top recommendation this year goes to the Seesii Professional Cordless Electric Pruning Shears because they deliver one of the most complete combinations of power, runtime, comfort, and reliability. Driven by a 600-watt brushless motor, the Seesii confidently cuts branches up to 1.26 inches thick with clean, consistent performance across everything from fruit trees to ornamental shrubs and climbing vines. Included are two 21-volt 2Ah batteries that together provide enough runtime for several hours of continuous pruning, while relatively fast charging minimizes downtime between sessions. Its metal transmission housing feels exceptionally solid, contributing to long-term durability even during demanding seasonal workloads. The ergonomic handle offers excellent balance for both left-handed and right-handed users, allowing better control during precision pruning as well as larger cutting jobs. Maintenance remains simple. Regular cleaning and occasional lubrication keep the SK5 blade operating smoothly while preserving cutting accuracy. The package includes both batteries, charger, maintenance kit, oil bottle, adjustment tools, and a protective carrying case. Safety features such as double-click activation and automatic blade response provide additional confidence during everyday use. For homeowners, serious gardeners, and professionals looking for dependable performance without unnecessary compromises, the Seesii earns our top spot as one of the best electric pruning shears available in 2026. That wraps up our picks for the best electric pruning shears of 2026. If you found this video helpful, check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details on each model. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.